Our journey is advancing. Each day, we take a step forward on a shared path. Our industry is connected through collaborative efforts, in some ways that are evident and some that aren't. With your support and commitment, we look forward to a brighter future. And we are excited to welcome you to the Festival of Business, ushering economic resurgence. We are bringing the world together to celebrate human brilliance and innovation like never before. Welcome to the Festival of Business, a versatile medley of 10 back-to-back shows in digital, in person, and hybrid formats.
Tourism, travel, hospitality is all about physically reaching out. There can be a virtual space where you create content, there can be a virtual space for ideating, brainstorming, but ultimately tourism is all about real-time experience. So we started with small boutique events, encouraging everyone as we went by that, okay, yes, COVID is there, we need to confront COVID, we need to be careful, wear your mask, keep social distancing, all the protocols need to be respected. However, while you do that, we do need to make our baby steps of actually doing physical events, traveling, and creating the confidence back, even in a reinvented form, but yes, reigniting the whole travel.
I think certainly this kind of an events, particularly during pandemic, physically meeting people, certainly is going to add a value, and this is going to be the beginning of mobilizing, making people to meet.
This was a wonderful experience this afternoon, coming to this show, and especially after everything has settled down because of the new norms of pandemic. This was so professionally organized with representatives from various sectors which affect the renewable energy, and it couldn't have been a much better place to hold such a green effort in a building which also has its own 3 megawatt solar energy capacity.
We are proud to announce the launch of Festival of Business, ushering economic resurgence. This is an initiative from Inform Markets in India. As we all know, we as an economy have been going through a downturn through this pandemic, and a recent research which was taken for the industry, they said that 80% of and more of the people wanted to come back with physical events to promote their own businesses. As Inform Markets in India, we are coming up with this initiative where we will have 10 back-to-back events across various verticals in physical, virtual, and hybrid formats, where you can meet, engage, interact, understand the innovations and do business, and also a lot of knowledge thrown across these events. So this is a unique initiative. Do take benefit of this, enjoy this event, and come and celebrate with us. Thank you.